morning, students. Today we are going to study near this math magic, means this NCERT math book. In this book, today we have going to study this third one chapter. How much can you carry? We have completed these two chapters. Then today you see this third one chapter. How much can you carry? You know this story, this clever donkey and his heavy sack. Sandesh. His name Sandesh. Sandesh has a donkey. Sandesh has a clever donkey and it carries his heavy sacks full of this salt on its back. See here. Sandesh has a clever donkey and it carries a heavy sack this full of this salt on its back. On the way to the market, they have to cross a river. They have to cross a big river. And one day while crossing this big river, the donkey, this clever donkey, slipped and fell into this river. When it got up, these heavy sacks felt very light. Guess why these heavy sacks felt lighter? See here, one day while crossing this river, this donkey slipped, fell into the river and this salt, all these sacks are here filled with this salt, and when he fell into the water, then these sacks, all these sacks of this salt here, then when it dissolved in water, then when it got up, these heavy sacks felt here very light. Then you guess why these heavy sacks this felt lighter, because all this salt dissolved in water and they become here lighter. The donkey was very happy. This also gave it an idea. Next day while crossing this river, the clever donkey decided to take a dip. This time Sandesh understood the donkey's trick. Next day Sandesh put these heavy sacks of this woolen cloth in place of this salt. Then next day Sandesh put this in this sack this woolen cloth. Now what would happen to this donkey when it dipped into the river, and why? When it dipped into the river, these sacks full of this cotton, and when this water dipped into the river, then all these sacks again full of this water and they become here again heavy. Next one, see this page number 19. Raju wants to ride a seesaw. You know this game, seesaw. Raju needs a friend to ride a seesaw and Raju comes to help this Rani. Raju needs a friend to ride a seesaw and Rani comes to help this Raju. But still Raju cannot ride it. Can you tell why? Circle this correct answer. Raju is heavier, lighter than this Rani. See here, when here Raju is here alone. Raju needs a friend to ride a seesaw. But then Rani comes to help this Raju, and still Raju cannot ride it. Why? This Rani is heavier than this Raju. Then Aslam comes to help them. Look at the picture. Can you tell why the seesaw turned this way? Then Raju is heavier, lighter than Rani and Aslam together. Then you see here, I have an idea, let me keep my bag with me. Then we are all enjoying this ride. Then here both become this equal. Next one point is heavier or lighter. Which of these two things will make the seesaw go down? Look at the example. When seesaw go down, see here, when these things are heavier, then down, and it's lighter, then up. Then you keep here, downside is shown here, Then you keep here this heavy things. Then draw a line to match this heavier one. Here heavier one, this one pot, and you match here. Then here two glasses and here one big mug. Then this big mug here, this heavier. Then this bucket here match you this heavier. And color the one which is lighter, one which is lighter, this tennis ball. Then you color it. Then school bag है lighter या geometry box. Then you give here color. Then next one, Chotu monkey and the carrots. See, here is one story. This Chotu's monkey and the carrots. Chicky and Mickey rabbit saw a bag. Chicky and Mickey rabbits, they saw a bag. It had carrots in it. See here, Chicky and Mickey, they have saw a bag and it had carrots in it. Chicky and Mickey started fighting. Then I will take bigger carrots. No, I am bigger, so I will take these bigger carrots. They both are this fighting here. This Chotu monkey came to help them. Then afterward this Chotu monkey came here to help them. Can I help you? We want to share these carrots equally between us. But some carrots are big and some are small. Then what do you do? Then Chotu monkey brought something to help them. Guess and tell what Chotu monkey used to help this Chicky and Mickey, and draw a picture of it in this monkey's hand. You guess here, you see this picture and you tell what Chotu monkey here used to help this Chicky and Mickey, and draw a picture of it in this monkey's hand. Then next one, how much can this Simran carry? How much can this Simran carry? Simran's father needs to move some things from the store there of a house to the kitchen. Then Simran wants to help her father. See here, this Simran's father here needs to move this some things here, the store of their house to the kitchen, and this Simran wants to help her father. Guess which bag Simran can carry, and guess how can carry what? Her father, her mother, and her younger sister. You see this picture here, 1 kg of salt, 2 kg of sugar, 2 kg of dal, 1 kg of ghee, 2 kg of this cooking oil. Here different things are there. 5 kg of this atta, and which bag Simran can carry. Then you guess here which bag. Suppose she carry here 1 kg of salt, 1 kg of this ghee, again some pots here. You see this 1 kg of this. Only she carry here 1 kg of these things. In this chapter, over this chapter, see here, which bags can you carry? Guess. I can carry a grain of this sugar bigger than myself. Match the picture of the animal with the thing it can carry. You see here some animals given and here things given. Then you match here which thing these carry. Here this bird, this carry one leaf only. Here dog, this carry ball. Then elephant carry here wooden this block, and this donkey carry this sugar sack. Okay, then you match here. Then here your this third one chapter completed. Okay, bye.